What's up, YouTube family? It's your girl Clay's Customs, and I'm back again with another quick DIY off-white laces tutorial. Yeah, and today I'll be doing this tutorial using this handy dandy drill. So let's get into it. So I got this box right here with different drill bit sets from Amazon.com, and if you would like to get the same drill bit set, I will have the link down in my description below. But today I will be using the 1.5 drill bit, and I will be putting it in my drill and using that to drill holes inside of my shoe. So this is just a regular shoe that I got from Walmart, a little $10 shoe, and I'm gonna show you guys how to drill a hole in it. So we took the drill bit, put it on the drill, and since it's in the drill, we're just gonna push it into the shoe, drilling it. You don't want to push too hard because then you're gonna like rip a hole in the shoe. And even though you are putting a hole in the shoe, you don't want to like super big hole in the shoe. So we're just gonna take the drill and kind of slightly push it in. And as you can see, my hole is getting bigger inside of the shoe. And if you want your hole bigger than that, then you can, but this was the perfect size that I wanted. So now I'm showing you guys the metal rivet that I'm gonna put in the shoe, so you'll be able to lace out those outer laces on the shoe. And I have the link down below for you guys to order those rivets. I got those from Amazon. It came in a set of 3, so it's like a silver color, this darker gray color, and then gold. And it's 120 in the whole pack, so it's 40 of each one. But yeah, you just take the rivet, you take the little screw, stick it in the back, and screw it in the front. Make sure you pull it tight to make sure that it's in there really good. And yeah, see, that's not going anywhere, so that's perfect. It also came with like a little screwdriver, so if you wanted to use the screwdriver to screw it in, you can also use that. But now I'm showing you guys these bling laces that I also got from Amazon, which will be in my Amazon link down below. And you can just put it in, and you can just customize your shoes exactly how you want to. So there you guys go. If you have any questions, put it in the comment down below. Thank you.